Anybody know this scruff? When you see him pan road, there's nobody. Him have 3 pitney in him yard. Him now mind him 3 pitney them because
some of viewers, Father's Day or Sunday, and the baby mother they decide to share a video with the girl. She a say her baby father workless. She a say him nah mind him youth them. So no welcome to my channel and welcome to another brawling review. We have that for talk about. So no drop some like on the video. Subscribe to my channel if you no subscribe yet. So here we go on to them people. Baby mother and baby father drama. Mama come home come catch the dog a cook pan her stove and the dog take back him cylinder. So no pre this.
Anybody know this scruff? When you see him pan road, there's nobody. Him have 3 pitney in him yard. Him now mind him 3 pitney them because I scan to him now mind no pitney. Me buy me stove. Buy 3 cylinder gas. This worthless scruff. This worthless dog when not even buy food give him pitney them. Me come home, come see my roast breadfruit for my stove. I said to him, said, don't roast no breadfruit for my stove because me and my pitney them now yam breadfruit. And further on, you know, buy food in here much less to buy a pan of gas. See what him do? Mash up my stove, take up the cylinder pan them put in him room because the cylinder pan them a theme pan but a me buy the gas. Anybody know this worthless dog? When you see my road that pumps up like him a smaddy is no blood clot body. Is a worthless scruff. Oral St. George Raymond is one of the biggest worthless scruff. This big worthless scruff. Him go road, when him go road, him pumps up like him have snoddy. I don't mind for the food when him not buy me a yard because me can't feed myself. Me an independent bitch. Have 3 pitney in my yard. Look on the dirty worthless boy. Boy can't even spell him blood clot name. Ask him done said boy for spell him name. Boy done like a blood clot bat. How him for style a blood clot done? Me a blood clot done because me a real mother. Oral St. George Raymond. You is a cruff father. You is a cruff father. That is why me a put out this. People look on the old cruff. Me tell him don't roast breadfruit for my stove. And I eat. See me stove there. See me stove there. Look on the old dirty cruff boy face. Me say, me solid as a blood clot rock. Stinking hurry, can't read and write. You can't stop me. And them 3 pitney away you nah mine. And I play top man roll out a road. I got on blood clot time. You a get fucked.
When you hear that, my viewers, baby mother and baby father drama. Them live together but them not together. And there's 2 sides to every story. So me nah go come right as and come diss up the man and talk about the man nah do nothing for him pitney them through she said that. Would I love to hear film side of story and hear what him have to say about this. Cause I'm tell you this. You see if a man and a woman live together and them not together, a big argument a go on in the house. Them a go pre them one another. Same like how you see a take place on the video ya. Mama come home and come catch him and use our stove. Him know say him no fear use our stove, you know. Cause him and her no in no dealings, you know. And that's why I see all of this a go on and him take up him cylinder and carry it gone in him room, you know. But me have to say this to the 2 of you know. This thing is not healthy for the kids them, you know. Remember so you have 3 pitney together. Not 1, nor 2, 3 pitney. And the first time you breed for him, or the second time you breed for him, you never know say him workless. You never know say him nah do nothing. You never know say I saw him stay. You'd have to wait till you get pregnant the 3rd time for you find out things the hard way. Nevertheless, me no care about all of that one I talk say. Me only care about the pitney them. So you see you brother, make sure you take care of your pitney them, you know. And make sure you not there road a hype up yourself, you know. And I play a top man role, you know. And know say you not do nothing for them, you know. See Sunday, a Father's Day. So you see if you not do nothing for them, nobody carry them go road and go palaver with them and showcase them like you did a do nothing for them. Some people tell me what you think about this. Cause I set a way why the mothers and the father them can't just unite. All if you not together, just do it the better way, no brother, and the best way for you youth them, no brother. Cause you see that video you know, it no make no sense, you know. The pitney them a go see it, you know. How mama go on, you know. And diss up them father upon the media, you know, but other era we are living, you know. I know 1986, back in the days where analog and modern time now. Some people tell me what I think about this. I go take with myself, you know. I don't know my code. Life over death a
Him
road.
have 3 pitney in me yard. Him nah mind him 3 pitney them because I scan to him nah mind no pitney. Me buy me stove, buy 3 cylinder gas. This worthless cough, this worthless dog when not even buy food give him pitney them. Me come home, come see my roast breadfruit for my stove. I said to him, said, don't roast no breadfruit for my stove because me and my pitney them nah yam breadfruit. And further on, you know, buy food in here much less to buy a pan of gas. See what him do?